Welcome to our full guide on how to hide someone from seeing a post on Facebook after you've posted it. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access the platform. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile where your posts are visible. Step 3. Locate the post you want to limit visibility for and tap on the 3 dots at the right corner of the post. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Edit Privacy to adjust who can see the post. Step 5. Tap on Friends Accept and select the specific friends you want to hide the post from. Step 6. Once you've selected the friends, tap Done to save the changes and restrict their access to the post. By following these steps, you can customize the visibility of your posts on Facebook by hiding them from specific individuals after they have been posted. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to hide someone from seeing a post on Facebook after posting it. Enjoy the control and privacy management over your posts by selectively limiting visibility to certain friends, ensuring your content is shared with the desired audience.